Let's make easy, crunchy homemade granola recipe. It's naturally sweetened, super customizable, and way better than store-bought. Start with chopping 1/2 cup of almonds. In a saucepan, add 1/4 cup vegetable oil. Add 1/2 cup of organic maple syrup. 2 tablespoons of honey. Now, we need zest of 1 orange. You can replace orange zest with vanilla extract or lemon zest. Now, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Simmer on low heat for 5 minutes until all ingredients well combined. After 5 minutes, switch off the flame. Now add 2 cups of rolled oats. We are using old-fashioned organic rolled oats. You can use any type available in your pantry. Add the chopped almonds. Add maple syrup mixture. Mix it to combine. Stir until everything is evenly coated. Take a baking tray and place a parchment paper over it. Spread the oat mixture over it. Bake it in 325 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 20 minutes until lightly golden, stirring halfway through so it browns evenly. After 10 minutes, take it out of the oven. Add 1/4 cup of unsweetened desiccated coconut. Mix it to combine. Keep an eye on it. Granola can go from golden to burnt very quickly. It will go into the oven for rest of 10 minutes. After it comes out of the oven, let it rest until it comes to room temperature. In the meantime, cut the dried plums into small pieces. Let me know in the comments what you like to add to your granola. Now we have 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds. 1/4 cup roasted sunflower seeds. 1/4 cup of chopped plums. 1/4 cup of Sultana raisins. Add them to the granola. This step should be done when granola is on room temperature. Mix it to combine. Enjoy it with yogurt, milk, smoothie bowls, or just eat it by the handful. Store it in an airtight container, and it'll stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.